Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tools and gadgets for your home and garden. Today, we're talking about a fantastic garden tool that has quickly become a favorite among gardening enthusiasts: the Fiskars 28 inches loppers for tree trimming. If you're looking for a reliable and heavy-duty solution for pruning, then stick around. Because we're going to explore why these loppers are considered the best long-handled pruning shears on the market. The Fiskars 28 inches loppers are designed to make your pruning tasks easier and more efficient. With a sharp, rust-resistant bypass steel blade, these loppers glide effortlessly through branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter. This impressive cutting capacity makes them ideal for tackling thicker branches, which can be a common challenge for many gardeners. One of the standout features of these loppers is their ergonomic design. The shock-absorbing handles provide maximum comfort and reduce hand fatigue, allowing you to prune for extended periods without discomfort. The non-slip grip gives you more control, ensuring that each cut is precise and smooth. This design is particularly useful when you're working on larger trees or shrubs, where you might need to make multiple cuts in a single session. The durability of the Fiskars 28 inches loppers is another aspect that sets them apart. Made from high-quality steel, the blades stay sharp even after heavy use. The low-friction blade coating reduces gumming, which means you spend less time cleaning your tools and more time enjoying your garden. Plus, Fiskars backs their products with a full lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind in your investment. Using these loppers is not just about cutting branches, it's about cultivating a healthier garden. Regular pruning encourages growth and helps maintain the overall appearance of your plants. Whether you're trimming back overgrown shrubs or shaping young trees, the Fiskars loppers make the process not only easier but also more enjoyable. Let's take a moment to demonstrate how easy it is to use these loppers. Imagine you have a tree branch that's been getting a little too wild. With the Fiskars loppers, you simply position the blades around the branch, apply a firm grip, and with a smooth motion, you make the cut. The precision and power behind the blades ensure a clean cut, minimizing damage to the surrounding plant. This is crucial for maintaining the health of your garden, as clean cuts help prevent disease. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, ergonomic, and powerful pair of loppers, the Fiskars 28 inches loppers for tree trimming should be at the top of your list. Their combination of comfort, durability, and cutting capacity makes them the best long-handled pruning shears for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. So, if you're ready to transform your garden and tackle those pruning tasks with confidence, check out the Fiskars loppers. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and product reviews. Happy gardening!